Hi everyone, welcome back to Wala channel for English for Palestine with writing numbers. Let's see how to write numbers correctly on 4 lines from 1 to 10. And the first number is 1. Let's see how to write number 1, okay? A straight line is 1. It's fun. Number 1 is like a stick. A straight line that's very quick. So a straight line, okay, down, and then you are done. Okay, again, a straight line from the first line to the second line to the third line, and you are done. It's like a stick. So again, a straight line is 1. It's fun. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that's very quick, straight down, and then you are done. From the first line to the second line to the third line. Okay? From the first line to the second line to the third line, a straight line, you are done. Okay? Let's correct it again. Yeah, we have to. Okay? Again, let's write it. From the first line to the second line to the third line. Now let's see how to write number 2. Okay, around and back on a railroad track. You made a 2 just like that. Again, around and back on a railroad track, and you made a 2 just like that. Sorry. Again, let's write it correctly. Around and back on a railroad track, and you made 2 just like that. So start at the first line with a big curve line, then down, and stop at the third line and walk away at the second line. Back on the railroad track, you made a 2 just like that. Here it is. Let's start now writing number 3. Let's see how to write number 3. Okay, around a 3. Here we have around a 3. Around a 3. That's the way to make a 3. Okay, again. Around a 3. Around a 3. That's the way to make a 3. And start at the first line. Make a curved little line to the second line. Then make another curved little line to the third line. Here we have a 3. Okay, another 3. Here it is. Let's see now how to write number 4. See, down and over. Okay, then down some more. Okay, that's the way to make a 4. Again, down and over. Okay, then down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Again, we start from the first line downward to others, the middle of the lines. Okay, then another straight line. Again, down and over. Okay, then down some more. Okay, so we start from the first line, the second line, to the middle of the second line. Okay, crossing line. Okay, then another straight line from the second line to the third line. Here it is 4. Let's see now how to write number 5. Okay, go down from the first line to the second line, okay, and around from the second line to the third line, okay, and put a hat on top, okay, and see what you have found. Okay, again, go from the first line to the second line down, okay, and around, then put a hat on top, okay, and see what you have found. Again, go down, then around, don't put straight line on the first line. Okay, again, go down and around, put a hat on top, okay, put a hat on top, put a hat on top, and see what you have found. Okay, again, here we have 5. Let's see how to write number 6. Again, let's see how to write number 6. Make a curve, then make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Again, make a curve, okay, then make a loop. Again, down to a loop, let's write it again, down to a loop, the 6 rolls a hoop. Let's see now how to write number 7. Across the sky, okay, across the sky and down from heaven. Okay, that's the way to make a 7. Okay, again, across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Again, let's write it again. 7. Let's see how to write number 8. We make an S letter, okay, and don't wait, go back and close the gate, and that's an 8. Again, we make an S letter, okay, online, okay, and don't wait, go back and close the gate. Again, let's correct it. Let's write it again. Okay, we make an S letter and don't wait, go back and close the gate, and that's an 8. Another 8. Here write an S letter and don't wait, go back to close the gate, and that's an 8. Now let's see how to write number 9. Okay, make a little curve from the first to the line to the second line and go up, okay, to the first line, then make a big line down to the third line. Let's correct it. Let's write it correctly. Okay, here we have make a little curve from the first line to the second line, okay, and go up to the first line, then from the from the first line to the second line and to the third line, make a big line down. Here we have a loop from the first to the second, then a line from the first to the second to the third line. Okay, so make a little curve line from the first to the second. Okay, then go up to the first, then make a big line down to the third line. Now let's see how to write number 10. Number 10. Let's see how to write number 10. Straight line down from the first line to the second line to the third line, okay? Then make a big hoop just like so. We have 10. Again, straight line down. Then make a big hoop just like so. So it consists of two numbers. The first number is 1. Straight line down to the third line, okay? Then make a big hoop just so like so. 0 number.